In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out the ActiveCampaign affiliate form. We're going to walk through the entire process together from the moment you land on the affiliate page all the way to submitting your application, so you know exactly what to expect and what information you'll need along the way. First, open your browser and go to the official ActiveCampaign affiliate page. You can find this directly from their website, usually in the footer or under partner or affiliate sections. Make sure you're on the legitimate ActiveCampaign site before you continue, just to keep your information safe. Once you're on the affiliate page, look for the button that says Apply Now. Go ahead and click that. This will redirect you to a third-party platform that ActiveCampaign uses to manage its affiliate program. That platform is called PartnerStack. On the PartnerStack page, you should see an option that says Join Now. Click that to begin creating your affiliate account. This is where you'll start entering your details. You'll first be asked for your name and your email address. Use the name you want associated with your affiliate payouts and communications, and an email you check regularly. This email will be used for important updates, program announcements, and login information, so don't use a throwaway address here. Next, you'll be prompted to create a password for your PartnerStack account. Choose something secure and unique. Avoid using the same password you use for sensitive accounts like banking or personal email. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is a good idea. Once you've entered and confirmed your password, look for the button that says Create Account and click it. After your account is created, you'll be taken to a section where you need to answer required business profile questions. These are used by ActiveCampaign to understand who you are as a partner and how you plan to promote their services. Typical questions might ask about your business type, your website or primary platform, your audience size, and how you intend to drive traffic or referrals. Take your time here and answer honestly and clearly. Providing accurate information helps your application look more professional and can increase your chances of approval. If a question doesn't seem to apply to you, look for options like Other or Brief Explanation fields where you can clarify your situation. Once you've filled out all the required fields and double-checked your answers, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Submit Application. After you submit, your application will go into review, and you'll typically receive an email letting you know whether you've been approved, along with any next steps.